Hey folks, Thursday the 13th of October 2022. Welcome to the pre-US session, and we have data coming out today out of the US. As you can see, CPI to come, initial jobless, and DOE. So the US data at 1:30 and DOE then at the adjusted time of 4 o'clock. And let's get over and have a look at these charts here and see where we're at. Essentially, seeing the DAX gains here, about 0.5% up. SPOO's not too far behind it, and we will say goodbye to DAX and hello to NASDAQ. We haven't had a look at the NASDAQ for a while here on this tech sector, but we're really here on the weekly bars. We're really coming back to this regression channel as we are with a lot of these US equities. These regression channels going back to like 2008 or 2018, Volmageddon, are really key, and so kind of going back to a pre-COVID high here on the NASDAQ. What do I think is going to happen? Well, if you're asking me, and you are, by watching this, I think we're coming down to test on the trend. I've had this on the charts for quite some time now. We'll be looking at 10,400s in and around, well, maybe a little bit higher than that, but probably somewhere in around 10,600s, I think, is going to be a suitable area for this market to test into. Big question will be whether we test down below this support trend that we have on NASDAQ when we get down there. And there it is. Coming in at 10,500, so down here. Now, are we going to get that today? Potentially, if we get hot CPIs coming out, we had the PPIs yesterday coming in kind of hot. If we get the same today with the CPIs, I think we're really going to be then looking at something for further downside, and we could easily be testing down on the NASDAQ through this 10,736s, which is the low of the 21st, the week of the 21st of September 2020. That's just a little look at the NASDAQ. On the SPOOs, listen, I keep saying it, but target down 35.44 is half. I think we are going to breach yesterday's lows. Not much of interest going on overnight. The situation in the UK is still pretty perilous, but bonds are somewhat recovering at the moment. But tomorrow is the last day that the Bank of England said that they will support the gilts market. So Bailey does not look like he's going to be turning on that decision at all either. In the background, you're seeing gold making gains, small gains, 0.15 on the day, and oil really here down the bottom, testing this monthly area that we've been looking at. Really nice level. I think we've found enough buying down here in this blue area to really then thrust us back up towards the 89.66s. But at the moment it's just getting held a little bit underwater. So 87.20s, top of this blue area, is really a nice area I'd like along from to then push above. Obviously, it's a breakwater area for me. I'll be, if we can't hold 87.20s, I'll be looking for the short to come down. And that would be sort of a retest on this trend up here on the daily bars. You can see down to kind of test that 09 low, 85.28s, and the trend, and then pick its socks up again. And that's coming in, actually. That trend is coming in about $84 right now. If we were to just sell in this candle straight down, it's coming in around $84 round figure. I think that's probably not going to happen, given that that's a bit too cheap for the oil situation we have at the moment. We can't go without having a look at the daily bar on the SPOOs. And really, it was the weekly bars here. And really to show you the shape of this market, right? We are down. Sorry, hold on. Let me just check this here. We are down back within this trend channel. It goes all the way back to 2008, 2009 lows here and up. So if we then zoom in, you can see where we are. I've talked about it enough. Excess on the highs last week. Down we come. I think we're targeting 35.44 and actually lower, 3400s. How about that? Okay. And cheap stuff here. Lots of really good buys to be had, but we're going to be talking about the pre-COVID high, and we've wiped out all that value, and it was all a dream. So look, that's it for me for the pre-US session. Hope everyone is looking forward to sitting on their powder keg until we get to that 1/2 marker, or maybe even really the US Open for the best trading opportunities. And otherwise, I'll see you in Discord. All right. Please click to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.